welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year's, everyone. So in this video today, I'm kind of gonna be doing like a mini haul, like just Enailcouture. I don't even know if it's really a haul, but I'm gonna just add this clip in here because I am using the Enailcouture tips in this video, and I was super excited when I got this package. I believe I got the XXL sculpted square, and then I got the extreme square, and then I got the mini sculpted square and the 1 2 3 go system. And I really love these nails. I used the mini sculpted ones in here because I actually did my girlfriend's nails. Of course, she's not keeping them on. I did put a peel-off base on her nails before I applied them, and then because like she wasn't keeping them on, I usually use the Opre extend gel, but for her I just went ahead and used the one from Beetles, the little nail gel glue. But yeah, I'm just showing you how the tips are and what they look like and everything. And I want you guys to pay attention to, okay, so I have bigger nail beds compared to my girlfriend. So like, you're gonna see me put the nail tips on my nails and they appear, you know, to be pretty short, but then once you see me apply them to her nails, they look like a medium length. So it just kind of gives you guys like a picture of, you know, if you know, have smaller nail beds or bigger nail beds, like how it would look. But what I'm opening right now, this is what I was like super duper excited about. This shiny top coat, guys. Like, this is like my new go-to favorite top coat. Like, when I say it's shiny, literally, like, this shit is shiny. Like, even in the dark, it's shiny. So yeah. I love that top coat. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying and kind of show you guys a little bit how I apply. I will be making more videos like going in depth how I really do like gel X styles nails, because like I was saying, I do offer this. Well, I don't think I said this in the last video because my audio got messed up, but I do offer gel X as a service. So I'll definitely go more into detail on gel X nails and stuff, because like when I was like first doing gel X, like I was trying to find like a lot of informative videos on YouTube, and there's really not a lot. So I definitely want to do more like gel X videos, because I'm kind of more leaning to like not even doing acrylic anymore. Like I kind of just want to do gel X, but I'm not sure yet. You know, I still like acrylic. It's just, it's time consuming, and then like the smell of the monomer. So I don't know. I'm trying to convert all my clients, but some people are just like, you know, I'm gonna just stick to what I know. And I'm just like, you come on, just try it one time, come on. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the nail tips to her nails, and we're gonna do a cute little design, like a trendy little, you know, gel art design. And of course, I'm gonna show you guys my nails, and I actually use the extreme square on my nails for the long set, and then for the short ears I use the mini sculpted ones by Enailcouture. So yeah, so I'm probably not gonna talk through this whole video. I just kind of want to give you guys a look because I haven't posted in like 8 or 9 days, and I'm definitely trying to get consistent with everything. So yeah, I wanted to post something so you guys could see, and then just to also like give you some nail ideas. If you want to create this, you definitely can. It's very trendy, even with like the planet charms and everything like that. And I'll definitely try to put everything down in the description below so you guys can check out the links to see, you know, where I got everything. And I did purchase the stuff from Enailcouture with my money. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. One day, hopefully, somebody. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish making sure that that shape is shaping, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get into the designs. And like I said, I'll make sure I'll leave like everything that I use down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate all the love that I got on my last video. You guys are so awesome. We are definitely on the road to 1K, because I am trying to do that by my birthday, and my birthday is May 4th. So let's see if we can get that going. I just got to be consistent. But yeah, like I said, love you guys. I'll talk to you soon, and stay slaying.